Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rouge, and we're going to go over how you'd replace the cabin air filter. Cabin air filter is located basically in the center of the vehicle, but you access it from the passenger side. Your glove box would be right above you here, and from this side we have a little grab handle here, and we're going to remove this little cover plate here. So you just pull that off, and then that way we can reach in and grab the filter and just remove it. So you got your new one right here. You want to make sure that the airflow, there's an arrow on the top, or it could be the top or the bottom, but right in here, that's going to tell you which direction the airflow is, and you want the airflow to go toward the back of the vehicle. Now, to get it up in here, you may need to scrunch it up a little bit once you kind of get it in the channel. So you just gotta kind of work its way in there, scrunch it a little bit, and then just work it in there. And once you've got it in place, just see it holds in there, so it should be right there. Once you got it in place, then you'll just take your lock clip here, just slide it and snap it back into place. And so that's how you replace your cabin air filter on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.